What if the job you're training for today doesn't even exist in 5 years? Or worse, what if it already belongs to artificial intelligence? The IT industry is the backbone of our digital world. But with AI sweeping across coding, cybersecurity, cloud management, and even customer support, the very foundation of IT work is shifting. Today, let's explore how AI is being used in IT right now, which jobs are most at risk, and importantly, which roles are future-proof. Part 1. How AI is being used in IT today. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's embedded into the daily workflows of IT professionals. Take GitHub Copilot, for example. Developers now use AI-powered assistants to write up to 40% of their code. Imagine a junior developer who once spent an entire afternoon debugging. Now, an AI tool suggests fixes in seconds. In cybersecurity, AI is scanning millions of events per second to detect anomalies. Tools like Darktrace and CrowdStrike use AI to spot unusual behavior, like a login attempt from 2 countries at the same time. And in cloud computing, companies like Google Cloud and AWS use AI for predictive maintenance, preventing downtime before it even happens. Analogy: think of AI in IT as a supercharged coworker, someone who doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and notices the tiniest details you'd overlook. But it doesn't mean they're taking over the office entirely. Not yet. Part 2. Jobs most affected by AI. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Not all IT jobs are safe. Routine coding and testing. AI excels at repetitive tasks. Writing boilerplate code, running test cases, or generating documentation can now be automated. Junior developers are most exposed. IT, support, help desk. With advanced chatbots, many Level 1 support tickets are already solved by AI. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 75% of customer queries will be handled without humans. Basic system monitoring. AI-driven monitoring tools can detect and respond to issues faster than human operators, but it's not all doom and gloom. Let's flip the script. Part 3. Jobs that are safer and even growing. The safest jobs aren't the ones untouched by AI. They're the ones that use AI as a tool. AI and machine learning engineers. The demand for experts who design and fine-tune AI systems has skyrocketed. Cybersecurity specialists. Because while AI can detect threats, humans still need to decide the response strategy. Cloud architects designing scalable, secure systems requires creativity and judgment AI doesn't have. Ethical AI and governance roles. As AI expands, companies need professionals to ensure it's used responsibly. Think of it this way. If AI is the calculator, IT professionals are still the mathematicians deciding what problem to solve. Part 4. The skills that future-proof your career. So, what makes a role more secure? It comes down to skills I can't easily replicate. Problem-solving beyond patterns. AI is great at recognizing patterns, but when faced with messy, unstructured challenges, humans shine. Communication and empathy. Try asking a chatbot to manage a frustrated client during a system outage. That's still human territory. Cross-disciplinary thinking. Pros who understand both tech and business will always be in demand. Part 5. Challenges and opportunities. Here's the paradox. AI in IT may reduce certain jobs, but it also creates entirely new categories of work. Remember the early internet days? Thousands feared, automation would kill jobs. Instead, it gave rise to web developers, digital marketers, and cybersecurity analysts. The same shift is happening now. Opportunities, new IT roles around AI ethics, bias auditing, and model training. Increased productivity, IT teams with AI deliver faster, cheaper, more reliable solutions. A chance to focus on strategic work, while AI handles the grunt work. But challenges remain: data privacy, AI bias, and the risk of over-reliance on algorithms. These are human problems, requiring human oversight. So, will AI take over IT jobs? Not exactly. It's not replacing humans wholesale, it's reshaping what humans do. The IT professional of tomorrow won't just code. They'll collaborate with AI, design smarter systems, and ask the questions only humans can. The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine, building something greater than either could alone. If you found this breakdown useful and want to stay ahead of the future of work, subscribe to the Tomorrow Lens, hit that like button, and share this video with anyone worried about the future of their career. Because the best way to prepare for the future is to start shaping it today.